la frutta. So let's pronounce these words. Per esempio, B, and we're going to drop the ending E. We have a B and then A, which becomes ba. N, that means the sound of the N, and then A, so na. So banana. P-E-R-A si pronuncia pera. Mandarino, uva, ananas. Come si dice apple in italiano? Mela. E come si dice melon in italiano? Melone. Come si dice grapefruit in italiano? Pompelmo. Come si dice blackberry in italiano? Most of the time, C, in English C, is pronounced K, like in the English word cow. So, if you have the letter C and then A, it's going to be pronounced Ka. C-O, Ko. C-U, Ku. With the letter C, if the vowel that follows is an E or an E, then we need to place an H in order to have the K sound. So if you want to say Ka, Ko, Ku, and then Ke, Ki, don't forget to put an H. Esempi: Ci-ha, Ci-ho, Coca-Cola. Ci-u would be Cu, cupola. Now, don't forget, with E and E, put an H. So, orchidea, or il vino Chianti, or orchestra. This is how this letter is pronounced most of the time, like the sound in cow. Now, the only time that the chi doesn't sound like a k, like in the word cow, is when the chi is directly followed by the vowel e or e, Italian e or e, like in this chart, chi, che. In fact, even if we have an a, an o, or an u, if we don't want the cow sound, the e is placed in between. And so we would have the cha, cho, chu sound. Esempi: cucina, centro, arancia, cioccolata, ciuffo. Notice what they have in common. The letter E and E follows directly the C. That's when we get the ch sound. Okay. K sound of cow and the ch sound of chow. The G also most of the time is pronounced G, like go, but sometimes it's pronounced J, like the English word Joe. And S followed by a C is most of the time pronounced sk, but sometimes it's pronounced sh. Don't forget, when the last syllable is the vowel E or the vowel E in Italian, E, then in these three cases, always place an H before the E and the E. So this chart is going to help you remember the sounds, and as you can tell, the first letter, the G, has the sound G of go or J of jo. Most of the time it's going to be G. like ga, go, gu, gi, ge. Now, if the letter G is followed directly by the vowel E or E, then we get the J sound. That's the only time we get the J sound. So, ja, jo, ju, ji, j. With the letter Chi, we have the cow sound of K, which is ka, ko, ku, ki, ke. If the letter Chi is immediately followed by the E or the E, the vowel E or E, then we have the Ch sound. Cha, cho, chu, chi, che. When we have an S and then the letter Chi, English C, then normally we have a sk sound, like the English word ski. So ska, sko, sku, ski, ske. If, once again, the vowel E or E follows, then we have the other sound, in this case the sh sound. Sha, sho, shu, shi, she.